You can use ChatGPT to generate titles for your Instagram posts, for your YouTube videos, and whatever. Okay, let me show you what I mean. So for this video now, I'm going to post this video, and my title is probably how to make a book with ChatGPT. So I could say, give me a YouTube title for a video on how to book making with ChatGPT using keywords. All right, this is a bonus point to someone, so someone might actually need this. Okay. How to create a book with ChatGPT. A step-by-step guide to using keywords to generate unique content. This is good. So this will be the title for this YouTube video, okay? So in case you see this title, you know that, we got the title from here. Now, give me a YouTube for the title with keywords to rank my video. Like I said earlier, it's a conversational chatbot, so you can converse with it, you could talk and express yourself, and it would understand what you mean. Okay, so we see here it's already generating it. Are you looking to create a unique, engaging book with GPT-3? In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process using keywords to generate content and bring your book ideas to life. From researching and selecting right keywords to incorporating them into your book's plot and character. This tutorial covers everything you need to know to use GPT-3 to create a compelling book. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced writer, this video will provide you with valuable tips and techniques for using GPT-3 to craft a captivating story. Amazing. So if you're ready to write the book of your dreams with the help of GPT-3, be sure to watch this video and learn how to use the keywords to take your book to the next level. Alright, so that's amazing. So give me tags for the book for the YouTube video. So I'm asking it for tags that I could use. Although this is not a good way to get tags for your videos, okay? It's just a plus, alright? So it says here are potential tags for YouTube videos. Alright, so I'll probably be adding these ones to my tags, but it won't be the main ones. I'll add other tags. Alright, so that's just a bonus point for someone. Alright. So you can use ChatGPT to generate titles for your YouTube posts, your Instagram posts, your tags, and whatever, description, your captions, and ensure you ask it to add keywords in that particular sentence. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.